Hey guys, Steve Welch here. Gonna show you, this is a XSE RAV4 plug-in. So you've got several RAV4s that you can have a plug-in on, and you have the ability to set the charging schedule, to set how much power is going in, and to set a lot of stuff. So I'm actually gonna show you how to find the charging schedule and actually how to change it on this RAV4 right here. So it's gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna walk inside here, gonna get it all fired up. Got our push to start button right here. This is an XSE, like I said, so it's a pretty trimmed up one. So you've got your upper levels are all the ones that can be plug-ins. The lower levels can't. So you can't get an XLE Premium, an SE, or a LE in the plug-in, but you can definitely get this. I'm going to skip all this. I'm going to just set up later, right? So I'm coming in here. I'll turn this down just so that it doesn't give us any sound. But what you're gonna do is you look on this screen here, you see you're gonna have something you don't have on the other ones, and this little electric lightning bolt. So if you actually hit this lightning bolt here, then you can see, so now this one hasn't been plugged in. This one's fresh off the truck, right? So if you look, it says 0%. So obviously as you plug it in, you're gonna be able to charge it, but you can do a few things different. So you see where your charge limit is? Well, you can change your charge limit and say, well, I only want it to charge up to 90%. Well, you might ask, well, why would I only want to charge it up to 90%? Or why would I only want to charge it up to 80%? Kind of the thought process on that, and what's been proven over time, is that if you don't charge it to all the way full or let it deplete to all the way empty, your battery will last longer. So that's really why you would want to do it to less. Some people say, I don't really care, just get me to 100% each time. No problem, just come back here, hit 100%, and then it's going to charge to 100%. Now, if you come down here, you're going to see charge and battery. So now you can set different things down here. Now, obviously, you can just come into here and charge that, or set that charge the same way I just did, but it says current, right? So set the maximum current. Well, what current do you want to set it for? Well, here's the thing. The lower the amount of current, the more deep of a charge you tend to get. So it just charges slower, gives you a little bit better of a full-on charge. So if that's the case, then I'm shutting this for some noise that's there, but if that's the case, you can change it to whatever it is, or just hit max, and it's going to charge at the maximum amount that's available, which is probably where I would actually leave it, be quite honest with you. Now, battery precondition, right? So it regulates the temperature for efficient charging. So basically, it can cool the battery while it's charging to basically make the battery charge a little bit better, but you're probably going to use some more energy while you're charging it that way. So that's just how do you want that to work, right? So I'm going to jump back over here so you can see some more stuff here, and this is where it can come in to be important too. So it's schedules, so charge during off-peak hours to maximize energy efficiency. So it's not just for that. So part of why you might want to schedule it that way is places like California, they charge different rates at different times of the day. So if you can charge it at 2 a.m. when less people are doing it, then that's going to save you some money. Well, maybe that's perfect for you. You don't need to do that. So or you don't need to charge it like, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You can charge it later in the day. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to create your schedule, and you can go, okay, so I'm going to start it at 12 a.m., end it when it's full, or I can start at 12 and I can go, I'm going to start it at 12 and then I'm going to end it at 5 a.m. whether it's full or not. So you can do that. You can save it and change all that. I'm just going to leave it here the way that it was. You can repeat it daily, or you can custom repeat it and say, well, I'm not going anywhere Saturday or Sunday or whatever. So you can change these days, or maybe your Wednesday's your day off, change that and hit save on that. So repeat daily or custom to repeat whichever days that you want, right? So you can change all of that stuff in creating that schedule. So do you want it to be until full? How do you want it to go? But it's really easy to go in here and set your charging schedule so that it charges in the best time for you. Number one, financially. Number two, if the environmentally part of it is worrisome for you, then definitely that's something that you would want to consider there. Or maybe you're just going, look, I want to do it off peak hours. There's nothing wrong with doing it off peak hours because they're always making electricity. So might as well grab it when less people are looking for it. So that's just something that you can do, and you can do all of your charging right there just like that. So now here's the thing with that. So I showed you how to do it on your main screen. But if you don't want to do it on the main screen, there is another way that you can do it right here on your screen up front, right? So I can use these things and I can kind of go through left, right, whatever, until I get to where I have settings right here. And you can see I've got the settings right there. So I'm going to hold or hit the OK button here. And then you can see I can go into vehicle settings or however I want to do it. And I'm going to adjust this here a little bit so we can get a really good look here on what we're doing here. I'm going to try to keep it from doing that little flash thing sometimes it can do. But when I say that I'm hitting the OK button, I'm hitting this button left, right, up, down. That's what I'm working with here, right? So that way I don't have to keep pulling it out of that. So what you'll see is in vehicle settings, I can hold the OK button, and right on the very top there that's lit up now, you can see charging settings. So I'm going to hit charging settings, and I can go into charging schedule, and I can do charge now, or I can come down to scheduled. So if I'm wanting to start it, I can do start, and then I can say I want to start it at 12, I want to start it at 1, I want to start whatever I want to start it. I can do that. I'm going to the right or left to change the minutes, and then the right and then I can go back. I'm going to hit the back button here. So I can do start and stop, right? And it's going to give me both. As soon as I select this, it'll give me the stop time, which is perfectly fine as well. I'm going to go back one more time, and then another time, and another time, and then one last time. And I can go down to that same charging current, right? Oh, charging current. And then I can change those same levels of the current if I want to, right? And then I'm going to go back here down to charging limit, and you can see full, 90, 80, and I can change all of that right there. So all of those things that I changed in the main screen, I can also change in your it works like your MID, but it's obviously it's your 12.3 and your instrument cluster there, but I can change all of those in the instrument cluster, or I can change them on that main screen. Whichever way I want to change it, I can change it, and it'll react the same way. So there you guys go. So I'm inside, like I said, a plug-in XSE. Your GR could work the same way. Anyone that is a plug-in, now some of the options might be different depending on the size of the battery, of course, but any one of your RAV4s, 2026 and beyond, that is a plug-in should work this exact same way to set your charge schedules, charge current, and charge limits when it comes to your all-new RAV4. So Steve Welch here. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. And if it helped you out, definitely give me a like and subscribe. Definitely appreciate you guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.